Are you ready to level up your real estate game? Here are some top tips on how to make your offer stand out in a competitive market. Tip 1. Research and preparation. Tip number 1 is all about research and preparation. Before making an offer, study the local market trends, recent sales, and the specific neighborhood you're interested in. This knowledge will help you determine a competitive and attractive offer. Tip 2. Connect with a trusted lender. Next up, it's crucial to connect with a trusted lender. Get pre-approved for a mortgage so you can show sellers that you mean business. Having a pre-approval letter in hand demonstrates your financial readiness and gives you an edge over other buyers. Tip 3. Offer a strong earnest money deposit. Want to make sellers take notice? Offer a strong earnest money deposit. This shows your commitment and seriousness about purchasing the property. It's a great way to stand out from the competition and make your offer more appealing. Tip 4. Personalize your offer. Another powerful tip is to personalize your offer. Include a heartfelt letter introducing yourself to the seller. Share why their home is the perfect fit for you and how you envision creating beautiful memories there. A personal touch can often make all the difference. Tip 5. Be flexible with contingencies. In a competitive market, being flexible with contingencies can give you an advantage. Consider waiving some contingencies or setting shorter timelines to accommodate the seller's needs. However, always consult with your agent and assess the risks before making any decisions. Tip 6. Offer a quick closing. Time is of the essence. Offering a quick closing can be enticing to sellers, especially if they're looking to move swiftly. Coordinate with your agent, lender, and the seller's schedule to ensure a smooth and expedited closing process. Tip 7. Sweeten the deal. Last but not least, don't be afraid to sweeten the deal. Offer incentives like covering closing costs, including appliances, or even a home warranty. These little extras can make your offer more enticing and stand out in a competitive market. Those are my top tips on how to make your offer stand out in a competitive market. If you found this helpful, give it a like and share it with your friends who are house hunting too. Remember, a little creativity and preparation can go a long way. Happy house hunting, and best of luck making that winning offer. Contact Jack Jenkins with Samson Properties if you are looking to buy a home and get a home buyer rebate up to 1% of the sales price to help pay for closing costs on your new home.